Hello everybody. Let's start today's class. It is triangle chapter class 10 exercise 6.5 part 3. In part 3 from question number 13 to question number 17. Okay. Now in question number 13, D and E are the midpoints of AC and CB respectively of the triangle ABC. Right angle at C. Proof that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. Okay, you can see all these are the hypotenuse of each right angle triangle. Okay, so one by one you take the right angle triangle and one side you check, either this side or this side. I have taken this one side, AB square plus DE square, we have to check it. Now in right angle triangle ABC, right angle at C, therefore AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Okay, it is the first relation. And second relation, in triangle it is DE square, DE, that means we have to take this triangle. In triangle DEC or DCE, DE square is equal to DC square plus EC square. Okay, that one. So by adding these two, AB square plus DE square is equal to AC square plus EC square plus BC square plus DC square. Okay, AC square plus EC square, it is equal to AC square plus EC square, this one, this means this hypotenuse. Okay, AE square, and BC square plus DC square is equal to BD square. Okay, that proved. Next, question number 14. The perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersect BC at D such that BD is equal 3 CD. Prove that 2AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. This we have to prove. Okay, always it is the Pythagoras theorem. All the questions we have to solve, so we have to take one by one right angle triangle and solve by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now right angle triangle ABD, this right angle triangle you take, AB square is equal AD square plus BD square. Okay, that I have taken. BD is equal to BC minus CD whole square. Now by identity is it BC square plus CD square minus 2BC into CD. Now substitute its value as AD square is equal to CD square plus BC square minus 2BC into CD. BC is BC, but CD already this relation we has given. BD is equal 3 CD. So CD is equal to, it is 1/4 BC. Check it. It is one part, it is 3 part. So total 4 parts of CD. Okay, 4 times of CD. So because of that it is 1/4, CD is equal 1/4 BC. Now it is AC square plus AD square plus CD square, this much part. You check it. AD square plus CD square equal AC square. AD square plus CD square equal AC square by Pythagoras theorem. So it is AC square plus BC square minus, it is 2 cancel, it is BC square upon 2. Now this much part you calculate, it is coming BC square minus BC square up 2 BC square minus BC square upon 2, it is half BC square. Okay, now multiply by 2 all 3 terms, it is 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Got it? Proved it. Next question is again, in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC. D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 BC. Prove that 9 times AD square is equal to 7 times AB square. It is very important question, and Many times this came in exam, CBSE board exam. This year also 2020 board exam, this question already came. Now BD is equal 1/3 BC has given. Okay. And given AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. It is equilateral triangle has given. So all three sides are equal. To prove this one, construct, draw a perpendicular AP on BC. Okay. Perpendicular means it is the midpoint of equilateral triangle. So okay, median is the, it is the median or it is the perpendicular, altitude is the same. The mid P is the midpoint. So BP is equal half of BC and BD is equal to given 1/3 BC. It is given. Okay. Now DP is equal how much? Half BC minus 1/3 BD. Okay. Half BC minus 1/3 BD. That is equal to, BC is common. Half minus 1/3, it is 1/6 BC. Okay. Now so BD is equal 1/6 BC. These three values we have. Now in the right angle triangle, first you check the relation. What we have to prove? Relation between AD and AB. Check it. AB and AD. These two sides a relation. That means we have to take two triangle. One is APD, one right angle triangle, and another one APB. These two right angle triangle we have to take. Okay. At P is the right angle. Now in triangle APB, AP square is equal AB square minus PB square. So AB square is equal to half, it is BP means half BC. So half BC square, it is the first relation. Next in triangle, see the figure. In triangle APD, this triangle. Okay. Again hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular plus base square, but I have taken it is AP, altitude square. It's okay. Is equal to AD square minus DP square. AD square minus DP is 1/6 BC. Already we have got this value, 1/6 BC it is. Okay. Put the value. Now it is, these two relation you add. This two relation AB square plus AD square is equal to, AB square plus AD square is equal to, AD means, it's okay, AB square minus half BC square, you have to add in this way, is equal to AD square minus 1/6 the BC square. Okay. Now here it is AB square minus 1/4 BC square is equal to AD square minus 1/36 BC square. Now AB square, now you calculate this one, you can check it. It is 1/4 AB square and 1/36 AB square. Actually BC is equal to AB, all three sides are equal. So we have taken it is AB, it is also AB. Okay, all are AB. Now you check in this much part, all AB part you have to, 36 is equal, 36 the LCM, calculate it, 36 plus 1, it is 37 AB square minus 9 AB square, it is 28 AB square upon 36 is equal AD square. Cancel it, it is 7/9 AD square. 7, now cross multiply, it is 7 AB square is equal to 9 AD square. Got it? Next question is question number 16. It is the last, second last question. It is, in an equilateral triangle, proof that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. Okay, this altitude is the AD and all three sides are equal. AB is equal, BC equal to AC. AD is an altitude. To prove 3AB square is equal to 4AD square. Now in right angle triangle ABD, one triangle you take, this one ABD, AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. AB square minus BD square. Okay. Hypo square minus base square. Now AB square is equal. BD is equal to, has given BD. It is the midpoint. So it is half of BC. So we can take half of BC. It is 1/4 BC square. And BC is equal to AB. So we can write it. It is AB square. So 4 is LCM. 4 AB square minus AB square. It is 3 AB square upon 4. Cross multiply. It is. So AD square is equal 3 AB square upon 4. It is 4 AD square is equal to 3 AB square. Got it? Next question. Question number 17. Take the correct answer and justify the answer. Triangle ABC. Okay. AB is equal to 6 root 3 centimeters. AC is equal to 12 centimeter and BC is equal to 6 centimeter. The angle B is which option you have to choose. Now, by Pythagoras theorem, first try the smaller two side square is equal to the larger side square or not. For that, AB is this, BC is equal to this. So AB square plus BC square is equal 144. And AC square is equal 144. That means by Pythagoras theorem we know AB square plus BC square equal AC square. That means converse Pythagoras theorem, it is angle B is equal to 90 degree. Got it? Thank you very much.